Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna jump right into the video today because you guys are gonna be hearing me talk a lot in this video explaining everything, so I'm not even gonna make this intro too long, but today's video is going to be me applying this wig, and let's just get to it. I started off by bleaching the knots and making sure that there were no black dots because baby, this wig needs to be slayed. Can you see? Listen, I bleached the hell out this wig, just saying. So once I was done bleaching, I made sure that I went in and plucked a little bit. This wig was pre-plucked, but I need to go in and do my own thing, okay? So now I'm going to just clean off the perimeter of the hairline with some rubbing alcohol, making sure it's really, really clean. No makeup or built up glue, gel, nothing is on there. Then I'm going to take this nude cap and just really snug tuck it down and cut the ear tabs out. Y'all know how we do for the ball cap. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the Got2b freeze blast spray and I'm gonna spray the perimeter. And I have something against it like that because I don't want it to drip down, and that's the easiest way for me to do it. So yeah. Now, somebody actually asked me this question: why do we cut the ears out of the ear tabs? Basically, it's there to help you to have those sideburns, like the side parts, stick down. I don't know, I think that's the easiest way I can explain it. But now I'm going to go ahead and cut the cap off and just make sure that I'm getting as close to the hairline as possible. And just be careful when you're doing this because sis was so scared that I was gonna call her. She is so scary, y'all. Y'all gonna see her flinch a couple times in this video, but yeah, so I'm cutting the ear tabs right now, and you see how the cap is stuck down where the sideburns will be. If you didn't cut a hole for the ears, it wouldn't be sticking down like that. Using my Crownhergorgeous lace complexion spray in Fawn, I'm gonna go ahead and spray down the lace just to tint it. I'm gonna leave a coupon code below for this product. I definitely did a review on it, so go ahead and check it out. And I'm going to let that dry on the lace for about 20 minutes, or you can blow dry it. Whichever works for you is best. I do wish this product was a little less watery and more like a fake spray tan bottle type of consistency, but that's fine. It works for me. Now I'm using the Ghost Bond glue to apply the wig, and I'm just putting it across the perimeter and blow drying it, and then I'm gonna apply the wig, sis. It's time to get slayed. Yes, we have to pull her all the way down because we need this to fit perfectly snug to the head. I know I pulled it OD, but listen, we don't need the wig being loose or anything like that. A lot of people that I know that've never worn wigs before, they're always scared that the wig is gonna fall off or, you know, something crazy is gonna happen. But if your wig fits perfectly, it's not going anywhere, okay? So the reason I'm scratching the perimeter like that is just to make sure that everything is stuck down, the lace is not going anywhere. And I'm gonna take my comb and my blow dryer on cool, and I'm gonna really make sure that the glue is dry. Of course, it's not gonna be completely dry until the actual ends when you let it set in, but for the most part, it's gonna be dry enough for you to move on to the next step, which is cutting off the, you see how scary she is? Listen, I'm not gonna cut you, girl. I'm going to take the scissor and cut these tabs. And this is the easiest way for me to cut the tabs in these little sections that I cut. You see that I cut one down the middle and two by the ear, on the, like at the top of the eyebrows. That's the easiest way for me to do it because you kind of work in sections and move slow and take your time. time for everybody's favorite part, the baby hairs, honey. I'm just taking them out right now just to set them aside so that I can work on styling the hair. I like to do this so that I can wrap the edges down while I'm styling. That way it kind of kills two birds in one stone. I get to style the hair and I get to make sure that the edges is sitting, like, you know what I mean, like the lace gets time to settle in and be wrapped up. I'm also not doing anything crazy as far as styling this hair because, to be honest, the quality of the wig that she purchased wasn't that great. So it's not like it held that great of a curl, and the hair was really thin on the wig. So this video is mainly for application purposes. So please don't mind the curls, anything like that. It's really just something to, you know, make it look a little more appealing. She's probably just gonna end up making this her gym wig anyways because we don't got time to waste. So now that the edges are laid and the glue is dried, it's settled in, you can't see any white things or anything like that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the baby hairs, and then I'm going to add some mousse to the baby hairs so that it's easier to swoop them. This is a technique that has taken me forever to learn because sometimes you might put mousse on it and the lace lifts up. It's because you're not using the right type of mousse, or because you're using your fingers too much when you should be using the comb more to swoop the baby hairs. Do you notice how I'm barely using my fingers? Like I'm literally just swooping it with the comb. That's what you want to do, because if you use your fingers way too much, you're pushing the mousse into the lace, and that's what's going to cause the lace to lift. I decided to go ahead and re-wrap the hair with a new wrap strip and blow dry it, and then I just comb the curls out. I lastly went back in with the hot comb just so that I can really get the perimeter looking nice and laid and, you know, together. And those flyaways was pissing me off, so I definitely needed to go back in with the hot comb. Well, that's the end of the video, you guys. I hope it was informative. I hope you guys learned a few tips and tricks. I tried to make this video as easy to understand as possible, but of course I'll do more for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.